Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are doing another unboxing, and this is of a traditional knife, and I think there's something else in this package too. Obviously, you know where this came from, and now you know my post office box number. Oh no. um, oh, jeez. Anyway, this is my first time ever getting one of these. That's not it. That's it. It's a Rough Rider. This, if you're interested, is a sharpening stone for an axe. It came with a leather pouch, which I'm going to also use for knives out in the field. So that's pretty nice. It's not the most super high quality leather pouch, but it's going to work. And this is the knife. Rough Rider, traditional knife. And I just got this because I just wanted to check them out, see what Rough Riders are all about. As everybody knows, GEC is kind of the game nowadays, and they're hard to get, and they're very expensive, and yeah. So I wanted to get one of these because I just wanted to see, like, some videos I've watched, people have said they're really good. Some videos I've watched, they just haven't got the best reviews ever. So I figured the only way to find out is see for myself. And it's a $21 knife, so how big a deal can it be, right? And it's my favorite pattern, which is a sway back. Oh. That's not bad. Kind of a medium size sway back. I'm not sure what the specs are on it. I don't have them with me. Oh, my nose is all plugged up. Let's see how she pulls. Oh, it's got a good pull. It's got a half stop. It's got a pretty decent grind to it. Transitions are okay. They're just as good as any case knife I've ever gotten. My hands are all grimy from work, guys. Sorry. Here it is in comparison with a Para 3. And it's not a super whole lot smaller than a Para 3. Although this way it's much smaller. This isn't one of their special reserve knives. It's fairly sharp. The grind on it looks pretty good. The micarta is pretty nice. A little bit gappy up here. Not terrible. Nothing worse than I've seen on any case knives. It's about a 6.5, 7 pull maybe. That looks pretty good. The H right here. Triple line bolsters. Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, centering is not very good. But it's a $21 knife, so not bad, I guess. Isn't runny, so that's Okay. I might be able to fix that. I don't know. Yeah, but anyway, there it is. Unboxing of a Rough Rider. If you want to know the exact model of it, it's covered up. Weird. No paperwork in the box, just a knife. There we go. Rough Rider folder denim micarta. I don't know. But there it is. Short video, short and sweet. This is the blue denim. Not centered very good. But yeah. Yep, not really much I can do to fix that. But it's really not bad, except for that. So anyway, probably maybe not be a review on this later. I don't know. But I thought I'd show it to you guys. If you like this video and you like my channel, please give me a subscribe and a like and all that good stuff. And get your wife and kids, get out and enjoy the outdoors. Toad Sticker out.